Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up the Sony ST-5000 soundbar with your TV. We'll also show you how to get the best listening experience based on your room setup. This is a great added feature of this soundbar. First, place the soundbar where you would like it in your room. Most people place it in front or directly under their TV. Position the subwoofer as well, which is typically adjacent to the soundbar. Once both products are placed in position, plug each power cord to a power outlet. Then turn on the soundbar, which will also automatically turn on the subwoofer. You can turn the soundbar on two different ways. The first is by pushing the power button on the top of the soundbar. The second is by the soundbar remote, which is provided in the box along with the remote batteries. Place the batteries into the remote. Once turned on, connect your soundbar to the TV by inserting the high-speed HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the soundbar. And just as a reminder, your TV should be on. Plug the other end of the cable into the eARC/ARC port on the back of your TV. Once the soundbar is plugged into the TV, select the Home button on the remote. If this is the first time you are setting up your soundbar, you will be automatically prompted with the Easy Setup Guide. This Easy Setup Guide will walk you through how to connect your soundbar to the network. We have a great tutorial for that too, which you can watch by clicking the link in the top right-hand corner. To customize your listening experience based on your room setup, select the Setup button in the top right corner of the home screen, then select Audio Settings. Next, you'll want to select Speaker Settings. Here, you can customize various audio settings for your soundbar, such as letting the system know your ceiling height and the distance between the soundbar and your furniture. Let's select first Distance, then select Front. Scroll to the amount of feet between where you are seated and the soundbar itself. Under Subwoofer, you can enter the amount of feet between where you are seated and the subwoofer. You can customize these distant controls from 0 feet up to 33 feet. From the Speaker Settings menu, you can also customize how much decibel gain you want from each channel by selecting Level. You would select this if you are finding the soundbar is sounding a little too heavy, or if you want to increase the subwoofer, for example. Each channel ranges up to 6 decibels. Go back to the Speaker Settings menu. When setting your levels, you can test to see what it sounds like by turning the Test Tone option on. This will help you set the levels more easily. Return to the Level menu screen. Now, as you scroll higher or lower on the channels, you will hear the soundbar audio getting louder or quieter. You can also customize the ceiling height for your soundbar. From the Speaker Settings menu, scroll to Ceiling Height and input the amount of feet from your soundbar to your ceiling. It ranges from 3.25 to 16.5 feet. Customizing these speaker settings will give you the best audio experience the soundbar can offer, specially tailored to your home. You can now sit back and enjoy the Sony ST-5000 Dolby Atmos soundbar.